Okay, here is our corner cabinets installation instruction. As you can see, there's a filler here. So this filler is for you to adjust on the job site based on the job site measurements. So after you install this filler, on the other side has another corner cabinet. Here is also a filler. This usually this filler is 50 mm, but it's also adjustable based on the job site measurements. For the corner cabinet, the filler here, as you can see, there are two pieces. So the inside piece is same material, same color as the carcass material, the cabinet structure. This one is same color as this one. The front one will be the same color, same finish as the door. For example, this is the door, so the filler that you can see from outside is the same material. All these 1, 2, 3 pieces are exactly the same material and same color. So after you fix the job site measurements, then use the screw, which is 30 mm long, to screw this panel and this panel together. So you will be moved to fix it. Be screwed from here through the panel to the filler on the other cabinets.